Oh no, my faucet won't work. What am I going to do? Wonder who that could be. Oh, hey, big boy.
Did somebody call for a plumber?
Oh, you bet I did. My pipes are all clogged.
Yeah, it's okay. I brought my industrial strength snake.
I bet you know how to use that industrial strength snake.
Never had any complaints.
Oh, that's what I'd like to hear. So this is where I'm gonna need you to work it.
This is where you need my help?
Yeah, this is where the problem is.
Well, let's have a look.
Okay, let's.
This might take a little while.
Oh. Oh my.
Let's see. It's just a loose connection.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, there we go. All fixed.
Oh, it's all
Done. Didn't take as long as I thought.
No, are you sure it works?
Yeah, look. Watch. See? On, off, off. It's all good.
Well, now I need to pay you.
I can't charge you for that. That was like 4 seconds. I was just driving by. Hey, next time you call, though, you might want to try calling J&L Plumbing, because they're right around the corner, and they probably won't even charge you like a visitation fee. So, have a good afternoon.
Ooh, I wonder who that could be. I've been waiting for you.
Yeah, I got a sausage pizza here, extra sausage.
Oh, I bet you do. You can never have enough sausage. Well, how would you like me to pay you?
Actually, I'm 15 minutes late, so pizza's free.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. Company policy.
Oh, well, what about, your tip?
I don't feel right taking the tip because I was late, so you can keep it. Yeah.
Well, wouldn't you want to come inside and enjoy?
Yeah, I got other pizzas I got to
nice
deliver,
big
so...
sausage.
See ya later.
See me, Professor?
As a matter of fact, I did, Mindy. Have a seat.
Is it about my grades?
Well, yes, it is.
Oh, there must be something that we can do. I need to pass this class in order to graduate.
I'm happy to say that you are passing this class with flying colors.
What the fuck is wrong with people?
You have the highest grades of, well, anyone in this class. As a matter of fact, I was thinking about, well, taking that midterm that you wrote on Descartes and seeing if we could get it published. What do you think about that?
Unfucking believable.
Someone should be thinking about grad school. You should. As a matter of fact, I think if you want, I could write you a letter of recommendation.
That's enough. That's it. I'm out of here.
All that you have to do is, well, suck my cock. Mindy? Okay.